Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download the FFmpeg file and install on your Windows 10. First step we need to do is the download the FFmpeg package for Windows 10. So I have a link here already. You also go to this link. I have a link here. You also go to this link and then paste the link here and click here the download. Once you download, you will have the new screen where you can have a different package of download for different operating systems. So I'm going to download for Windows, and Windows you're gonna see the two packages, and I'm going to click the first packages. Here I'm going to download the FFmpeg Git full the 7jet, and you can see the download has started. Once you have downloaded, you can see that my file has been downloaded. So right click on it and extract your file here. Click on it, go to bin. We need this file FFmpeg only. So go back and rename your file. Now the second step is set up environment variable. Go to this PC, right click on it, go to properties, and here on the right side you can see that advanced system settings. Click on that one, and once you click on that one you can go to the advanced tab, and here you can see the environment variable. Click on environment variable and go down, and you see the path here. Click on the path, and here we need to put the path of your file. So go to edit. I already have path of my FFmpeg. So if you want to put your path, go to new and then create the path of your file. So my path is like C drive, user document, serious tools, FFmpeg, and bin. I can show you my files. I put it here. ShareX, ShareX tools, bin. So we have to give up to here. So copy this one and then create a new and paste it here. But I already have one path here, so I delete the old one and press it OK, and OK for every tab. Once you have done this one, now step 3 is test FFmpeg install or not from command prompt. So go to your search button and search cmd and type your FFmpeg/version. Once it is installed, you will see the installed versions, or if not, you will see the error and press it OK. Now you can see that versions is there, so it is installed. So now third step is convert video format to another video format. So here the location is C drive, users, and user. I'll show you some here. C drives, users, and users. In this location I have one video already in mp4 file. Now I will show you how to convert this source.mp4 file into the different versions. Into the different format. So this is the code to change into the different format. So I'll copy this one and then paste it here. So FFmpeg-i source.mp4, this is my file, and convert it into destination.avi and press it enter. Now you can see that it is converted into different file. Sorry, this one is AVI. Converted into the AVI file. Now wait until you will see. You already start to seeing the destination.avi file, and it's still in processing. Wait until it finishes. Okay, now now it's finished. Now you can see that the file is in now .avi format. Right click on it and see the properties. Also you can see from there, you can see the type of the files is .avi format, and the source file was properties in source file was in .mp4 format. When you put your mouse cursor over the file name, and you can see the item type also. This is how you convert the file from one format to another format. And we have finished till step 4. Now this is how you install FFmpeg on Windows 10 and set up the environment variable, test it, and convert the video format. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.